One bright Saturday morning, Henry and his family arrive at the store. The automatic doors open, and they walk inside with big, excited smiles. The building is massive. This is a supermarket, a big store that sells food and many other things. It is filled with long shelves, which are the flat spaces where all the products are kept. Everyone is in a great mood. Henry walks safely beside his mother while she pushes a large basket, a special cart for carrying their shopping. After a few minutes, Henry sees something highly exciting. It is a long row filled with colorful cereal boxes. Big stores have thousands of bright colors and interesting shapes. These busy environments can easily grab a child's complete attention, causing them to forget where they are standing. Henry wants a closer look. He takes a few slow steps away from his family. His mother is busy checking fresh vegetables and does not see him move. Henry is totally focused on the fun packaging. He sees boxes with cool superheroes and boxes with big dinosaurs. Without thinking, he keeps walking slowly down the aisle. A minute passes. Henry finally turns around. The shopping cart is completely gone. His mother and his little sister are nowhere to be seen. Henry looks to the left. He looks to the right. His happy smile disappears, and his heart begins to beat much faster. Stepping away for just a few seconds means Henry can no longer see his family. In a massive supermarket, that small distance is all it takes for a child to feel completely isolated. From a child's low view, the store is overwhelming. Every long aisle looks exactly the same, filled with rushing strangers. "Mom?" Henry calls out softly. No one answers. Henry is lost, meaning he is unable to find his family. He feels very worried, afraid that something is terribly wrong, as he begins to search, or carefully look for, his mother. He feels very small inside this huge building. His lip trembles, and warm tears begin to fill his eyes. Panic and a need to cry are completely natural human reactions. When a child's safe and familiar world vanishes abruptly, their brain sounds an alarm. But then, Henry remembers his mother's rule. He stops crying and takes a deep breath. He forces himself to stay calm, which means acting peacefully and not letting fear take over. This diagram outlines the mental safety rule. First, pause and take a calming breath. Second, look for a safe adult. We look for someone who works there, checking for a distinct colored shirt and a small name sign. Henry spots Sarah. She is wearing a blue uniform because she is an employee, a person who works in the store. He bravely walks up to her and asks for help. Sarah knows exactly what to do. She moves Henry to the front desk and uses the loudspeaker, a big speaker system, to call his mother's name. Because of Sarah, Henry is safe, meaning he is completely free from danger. Having a plan changes the way Henry feels. Instead of wandering the aisles in fear, he stays in one place and waits for his mother to find him. Henry waits quietly at the customer service desk. He listens carefully to the front doors, hoping his mother heard the announcement. Suddenly, a shopping cart stops quickly. It is his mother, rushing urgently to the front of the store with tears welling up in her eyes. She drops to her knees and they embrace tightly. Henry tells her he is sorry for wandering away, and they share tears of deep relief. His mother kisses his forehead. Both she and Sarah explicitly praise Henry. They tell him he was incredibly brave and made the very smart choice to ask a worker for help. Henry stands a little taller as his family finishes their shopping. He understands that while he made a mistake by walking away, he knew how to fix it by finding a safe adult, and his mother's pride helps him remember that lesson for next time. Soon the shopping is finished. The family walks outside together in the warm afternoon sun, carrying their groceries home. Henry securely holds his mother's hand. He demonstrates his understanding of the morning scare, promising that he will never wander away from her side again. Supermarkets are incredibly big, and it is easy to get turned around. But staying calm and finding a trusted adult is the perfect solution. Public places will always be full of bright, overwhelming distractions, but holding hands and staying close ensures that you are always in the safest place possible, with your family.